In this video, I'm going to show about how to apply an internship from my Internshala. Because of Internshala, there wasn't a huge competition in our India. In the survey last year, the 75% of our students was getting an internship only through the Internshala app. So if you're a student or if you're a candidate, fresher, whatever maybe, start applying an internship. In this video you going to explore about how recruiter could be select our resume, how to rank our resume. You do not need to subscribe a premium of our Internshala program. So completely I'm going to show about how freely access the Internshala app. You do not want to subscribe your Internshala to get a internship. You have an interest about to applying a internship is much more enough. And in this video, let's get started. For this video I'm going to show about a real time example. For this, the many of us students just they apply for internship and they rejected for the internship because of they does not have a relevant skill. And what is a skill about? It's day by day it's increasing a skills demand in this about job market. So if you are just struggling about us, I does not have a skill, study about about a basic fundamentals of a skill and just apply a internship. For example, in this for this example I will show about it's watching a tutorial and learning a new skills. It's definitely going to make 1 year or 2 years. We are just applying for an internship, not a job. Think about this and apply for an internship, not a job. So it's internship means you are just learning about that field or organization how it is working on. Don't be in a perfectism that I does not have a skill. So minimum understanding of skill is required for applying internship. Is much more important. For this applying internship I was created a sample demo. I'm applying for this video was 10 to 15 internship was I'm applied. And many of the internship I was rejected. For this example, I do not have a skill about AngularJS and Angular 2.0 and Angular 7.0, which the skill was related and it's going to give you an internship. So going to your internship, going to the Internshala resume and add this the which does not mismatch your skills and add to your skill. So it better to you get a more opportunity to get a internship. In a Internshala they was offering the every students to get an internship to provide the ratings. For these ratings, and only Internshala was providing the ratings for each of the candidates for a single user. For this rating, totally the 5 stars they involved. How about the ratings? The candidates gives the internship which are higher priorities. So how to get a 5 rating for each of the candidates? Let's quickly, which is going to quickly demonstrate about our quiz. So totally the 7 quiz they will be conduct our Internshala. So totally it's the Internshala means you can easily for 7 Qs you can copy and paste it. And I have been pasted at the Perplexity AI and ChatGPT and some other. And in this ChatGPT and Perplexity, totally I have been copied and pasted. And slowly my quiz 2 and quiz 3 and quiz 4 totally has been improved. And totally now it's my ranking was higher up in 4.4 rating. So by using this AI tool we can choose just MCQ questions. And where this your ranking will be get your ranking and your profile will be get increase. If your ranking is get increase means you get a higher chance to get an internship. So it's like something you want to definitely you are trying to get an internship in a Internshala app. Definitely you want to do, you want to rate, you want to do this quiz competition. And make sure don't put your so much of efforts by what I want to do something like and copy and paste it in ChatGPT or some other AI tool and it will give an answer and choose that. In the Internshala, there was a providing and editing the resume, and so about details about a project, having a done a proper working experience, editing our resume. It's about you can add your project and you can add your working experience. Much more you can add some other. If you are fresher or beginner to this Internshala apps or fresher to now only going to start your fresher journey, that means you can really you want to add your skills, that's even better. Only the one thing you want to remember that only you want to start apply the many internship, and if it is a stipend is more than 50k to 40k, it's literally going to take your experience. Only the after 5 to 6 internship has been done, that time only you can get like this of a internship. To select this 15 to 40k internships, really it's going to be an odd. You will get a frustration because of a unpaid internship and giving a less stipend it's literally have a less risk, and you does not have a much more, you do not need a more stressed on yourself. If you're a beginner, try to start your resume or try to start applying an internship within a lesser stipend, like more than 0 to 5k start your stipend. This is even better. So getting I want to need a only higher stipend means you want to definitely you want to worth it that. So if you want to worth it yourself means you want to definitely want to master that skill. Finally, you want to keep on applying the many of internship which are the missed skills, which are the missed skills. Add to your resume and the Internshala resume, and add your skill. And a small note of Internshala is the biggest platform usually for the students applying for an internship. Much more, it's have a huge competition in our world. So um in this the in this internship where I will going to show about, there was an organization which the opportunity was a 370 candidates and hired the 3052 candidates. So in this scenario where 380 opportunity was on a front end developer and 3052 was on a IL. So if you want to get this type of a internship or a front end internship, you have a less opportunity where 0.001.2% you can get a chance for this front end internship. So as a small note, I am saying about my internship, for I am applying for an internship means if you're choosing an organization which gives you a more opportunity, which the lesser competition is there means you get definitely a higher chance to get an internship. Keep on all these things on mind and apply for all the internship. You will going to rock in this world. This is your fucking yeah. Thank you for watching.